We are now in the production hall in Warsaw's Targowiec district. This is where the electronics and other components are delivered for final assembly of the device powering plasma processes. From the warehouse, all components are transferred to the assembly stations. On this occasion, we can also show you other modern logistics solutions, reminiscent of automated parcel lockers. These are used in the company to exchange non-production materials between individual buildings. Back to the assembly process. The base of the devices is the heat sink, to which other components are attached: transistors, resistors, diodes. The automatic arm picks up the appropriate components and feeds them to the robot for bolting. In the next production step, PCBs and other components are installed.